Hey, yeah, you. Mystery plate package 312. Are you ready for this? This one's going to be amazing. Are you on YouTube yet? Are you following me over there? You still watching me somewhere else? It's all cool if you're somewhere else, but I'd prefer if you're on YouTube. I'm trying to make the moolah. And I need you all to come over there and love and support me. Mystery plate package 312. What do you think's in here? Something good? Something good? Whole bunch of sleeves. Extra sleeves all the time. Oh, this thing's cool. Alabama. Jacksonville State University. Heart of Dixie. I don't know what that is. Some kind of mythical bird. Check that out. Alabama. 1499J. We'll find out about this university. What other cool plates that... Oh, there's another university plate right there. We'll put it with University of Wyoming. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Can't talk anymore. Mystery plate package 312. Alabama. Jacksonville State University. It's cool. I like it. Seem to have gotten a lot of university and college plates all of a sudden. You're going to follow me over special features? You going to watch it all? We'll find some cool other university plates. Something cool with Alabama. We'll find it. You want it? We'll find it. And drop a comment and let me know what you want to see. Okay, let's go over there. You coming? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Okay, we're back. Mystery plate package 312. Special features. Got the Jacksonville State University up above my head. That's base number 3 if you're wondering. So let's go back. Find base number 1. There it is. Oh yeah, you want to know who that bird was? That's Cocky. Cocky the Gamecock. It's their bird. It is. At first base, he's kind of boring, all red. By the second base, they pop him out. They give him a little more color. Add a little bit more feng shui to the bird. The third base is the one I got. All they did was eliminate that black line from base 2 to base 3. Base 4, though, look at that. Whole background's red now. Get some color to that plate, not just boring white. Cocky the Gamecock still on there, though, just strutting his stuff. Then we go to base 5. Unfortunately, they adopted the flat plate. Pretty much the same base, but it's flat. Yeah, that happened. Base 6, still flat. But look at that. The letters have changed color. Black letters. But we haven't lost Cocky. Cocky the Gamecock. It's a bird of some sort. It is. They must be cocky when they win. And the last 2 bases, this first one, they just kind of went boring, plain Jane. Jacksonville at the top, the bird's eyes down at the bottom, and the number in the middle. And then the very last one, the proposed new one, they've gotten rid of the bird. They didn't like Cocky anymore, so they got rid of the Gamecock off their plate. Just put a big JSU on there or something. Boring. It is. So there's some good ones, some bad ones. Cocky the Gamecock. Alabama. Jacksonville State University. I liked it. It's pretty sweet. Did you go there? Did you go to that school? Do you go there now? Drop a comment and let me know. If you're there right now, share this video in class. Show all the people you go to school with. Do it. And if not, whatever. I'm Willie the Crazy License Plate Guy. Have an awesome day. Awesome week. Awesome year. Get into trouble. Find some cool stuff. Go to school. Play some foosball. Go attack a Gamecock. Get cocky. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Make your own choices. But hit that subscribe button. Okay, till next time. I'm out of here. Woo! Thanks again, alpka.org, for hooking me up with some awesome pictures. Check it out today, alpka.org. Become a member, subscribe, get the magazine, meet all the awesome collectors, have access to these awesome License plate photos? Do it. Do it now. It's mystery plate package 312 special features, and I'm gone.